how to allow or don't allow photos and pictures to appear in search on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Photos. Next, we go down and tap on Siri and Search. In here, in the While Searching, tap on Show App in Search if you want to allow the app to show in search or not. And if you want to allow the pictures within the app to show in the search or not, you can also tap on the toggle button to allow or not. So if you tap on Allow Show Content in Search, then all the pictures in the photo apps will be available in the search result. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.